So down the stairs we go into the studio apartment or granny flat, however you'd like to call it. So we've got here again tiles in the form of laminate, but they are ceramic tiles that my father also put down. Then we got a little sink area over here with a sink. This is all new, the tiling is new. This door can close and lock from both the inside and the outside, and then this can be a completely independent unit. So here we have the bathroom. There's a new toilet and a new sink and a new shower. Everything is still in the same place as original, it's just been updated to something more suitable. So that shower is also 1.20 m wide, gives a nice space. Nice mirror, a sink and the toilet. Here we've got a little shelf for towels and linen, with a towel rail in between. Here is the shower and the window. We do have an electric towel heater dryer. Again, all of the tiling my father did, including the floor for the shower and installing all of the drains. He installed the toilet, the sink, he also installed the windows, and he made the linen shelf. He put all of these cupboards together. They were a kit from the DIY store, but he put them together. Then here we've got the bedroom. Not a big size, but still enough for one. Probably about 8 or 9 square meters. We've got nice wood paneling all the way around. And that wall is a double wall, and this is a double wall as well. Got some nice features here. The ceiling has been redone. It used to be wood, and can you guess what's coming? It was being eaten by woodworm. So that had to go. It is now plastic, as well as being a lot lighter, and it doesn't need any maintenance, just a bit of cleaning. And we got the edge corners. It's all been repainted here. We do have a built-in cupboard, which provides quite a bit of space, which is a nice feature. We have got a new curtain rail over here and a new window with a nice view onto the garden. From here we see this door is also new. The doors used to be straight, so there was a wall here and just a straight entrance. We've done it a bit more sideways in order to give it a bit more space. There's a bit more space here. The door opens outwards, giving space inside the bedroom area, and the door opens inwards over there in order to have the space for the sink. So this is a bit of a false ceiling made from plasterboard, and that is seated nicely. Again, new ceiling over here. This is an existing light that was in the living room area, has now been moved down here. It's still in good condition. There is a window above the door that still needs to have a little curtain put in front. We've got a nice light over there which points to the desk area or the table area and the preparation area. So here we got enough storage space for quite a few things. There's a built-in microwave, more tiles done. Also the electrics here have, the ones that needed upgrading have been done, but this area here was done at a later stage, so it was already a lot better than the upstairs electrics. The wires were the correct gauge, thickness, and everything was better. Again, so all of the tiles done. The door is not a custom made door like the front door upstairs. This is a door that you buy from the DIY store. The windows are made to the correct size. Got the kiwi collection. You can get a little warm here. And there's the fridge. There's a cutout or a step down in the tile work, so that you can put the doormat in, and therefore the doormat is flush with the floor and the door can pass over it without moving the doormat. The same has also been done upstairs, which I forgot to show. So that's another nice feature. At the moment lots of DIY things here because of the paving happening outside. Here we've got another electrical panel. Nothing special. Here's an under the stairs storage area that still needs to be finished off. That door is the original door to this, and that's the color of the doors that used to be here for the bathroom and the bedroom. So we painted those white. And again we got wood all the way around, which creates quite a nice feeling, rustic features. So, thanks for watching the apartment or studio or granny flat renovation before and after video. I hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.